Greetings, everybody. My name is Mr. and this is my channel where I document my journey in Forex. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the market breakdown. I'm going to document this analysis on gold. Gold is beautiful. Gold is beautiful. So what I do first is to look at structure, the overall structure of the market. Where are we going? What is the main trend? The main direction of the overall direction of the trend of the market. So the overall direction of the market is that the price is moving to the upper side. So we're on an upper trend. So when I start analyzing, before starting analyzing, I make sure that my chart is clean. Make sure that there are no drawings from the previous week. Make sure that it erase them. Why? That help me to pay more, to have more attention on what is happening, to have more focus, to be laser focused. So now there will be no distraction from the previous drawings, previous analysis, which might be invalid right now. So yeah, that's how I stay relevant in the market. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark first on the dead time frame. This is the top-down analysis. So I'm going to mark the major levels, significant levels, major significant levels. These are the recent levels. This is the recent level, and this is the support level. Right. And then why mark this level? Because these are the major levels where the price reverse. Okay. Where we experience the reversal, or where we experience the major pullback in the market. So now after marking this, what I'm going to do, because I like to start analyzing previously what happened. Now, what happened when I jump into the market, I don't analyze just for a trade, but I just then look back what happened. Is there any pattern that happens that can lead us to where we are right now? So what I do, I will start drawing from that level, connecting to the second resistance, and see is there any pattern that I can find. As you can see, guys, we have this beautiful continuation pattern. It tells us that we are coming from the corrective phase, and now we're going into the impulsive phase, where we are going to experience the major movement in the market. Okay, now we've drawn that in the markets. Okay, now I can see that we're coming from this phase, expecting the price to move to the upper side. So now I'm done with this. Let me just erase this line. Let me just erase this line. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to draw the channel still. I'm going to draw the trend line, the relevant trend line now, because that one is what is no longer valid, no longer valid for us. We're no longer going to use it, right? Now, we need something that's going to guide us in terms of taking trades. Okay, first, I'm going to draw this trend line, an upper trend, right? Connecting my support levels. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to clone this line, forming a channel. Now, what we have is the channel, an ascending structure. Now, this is an ascending structure. As the price evolves, we are going to evolve this trend line too. So now we have this. So what I'm going to do now, let me make sure that these lines don't appear on the 4-hour time frame, they only appear on the daily time frame, because I'm not gonna use them when I go to the lower time frame. I'm going to only use them when I'm on a daily time frame. So now all about this trend line that I've drawn, I just want to use them only for our time frame. Okay, they appear on a 4-hour time frame. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the lower time, to the 4-hour time frame, and do the very same thing that I did on a daily time frame, right? Mark the significant levels. First level, and these my second level. The major level in the 4-hour time frame are these levels, resistance and support. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do now is to mark another level. The major level, the significant level, the level that has been retested many times. Why I'm going to mark this level on this? Because this level has been retested, or has been retested many times in the market, right? And at this level, we might experience a major pullback. We might experience a major pullback. Right. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. This is where we might experience a major pullback. Now we have this level. Let me just make sure it appears also on a 1-hour time frame and not on the daily time frame, because I don't want my chart to be noisy. No, I don't want to go to the daily time frame and see everything that I've analyzed, even on the lower time frame. When I go to the high time frame, I just want to see what's happening only on the high time frame, keeping my chart clean and help me stay focused in the market. So what's next now? What is it I'm going to do? What is it I'm going to do now? I'm going to make sure these lines appear on the 4-hour time frame, because I'm going to draw another structure now. I'm going to draw another structure. Okay, let me just draw from this support, lowest point. Yes, and then after that, I've drawn my trend line. Do the very same thing, close. As the price evolves, we are going to evolve our trend line to see whether is there any pattern that we find in the market. If we find a wedge pattern, this ascending wedge, we find an ascending wedge, you know. But all in all, we're looking for buy opportunities here, right? We're still looking for buy opportunities till this trend line has been broken, right? If the trend line has been broken, then only then we start looking for what? For selling opportunities. So right now I'm expecting the price to move from this level to the upper side. But now let's go straight to the 1-hour time frame, because I'm going to do the very same thing that I did here. I'm going to mark the levels. What happened? Let me go back on the 4-hour time frame and just make sure this line they appear on 1-hour time frame. They appear on 1-hour time frame and a 4-hour, but not in a day time frame. Beautiful. Got it clean. So now, as you can see, coming from this level, we're moving to the upper side, expecting the price to revert from this level, which means I'm still looking for a buy until the price reaches this level, which means if there is a target I'm going to place when I'm buying, the target has to be at this level, right? Because I might experience major pullbacks from that level. So the second thing I will do, to show you guys why I drew this level, what I normally see happening in this level. Okay, as the price was moving to the upper side, before the price started moving to the upper side, we had this area that has been retested many times, guys. This area has been retested many times. Okay, as you can see, this area has been retested the first time, second time. And what happened here, the price moved from this level to the upper side and break above and came back for a retest, right? Price came back for a retest at this level, came back for a retest and moved back up again, came back for another retest and moved up again and back for another retest, which was the last retest. So what I did when I saw this structure happening, the price was ranging. I drew another zone here, because we have this level that's been tested many times again. First time, second time, third time, and the fourth time. So which makes it a significant level, significant relevant level. Okay, what the price did here? The price was impulsive to the upper side, that is to give us a correction, here a bigger correction before another continuation to the upper side. And then after that, the price decided to reverse from this point and move back down just for a retest of this major level. As you can see, guys, this has been happening in the previous data. Move the price will break the level, it came back for a retest. So that now history is repeating itself. We have break above this level and now we came back for retest. Another thing is that we are at this level. First touch, second touch, and this is a third touch. right? We are at that touch. We are respecting in this level. We are retesting two levels, this zone level and this trend line level. So we're still expecting the price to move to the upper side because we have not broken these two levels. We're still expecting the price to continue moving to the upper side and we're still within the channel. So for me, this is a great opportunity for long position. Now, so what I'm going to do now, I'm seeing this happening. One aspect to do now, to see happening is see the price buying. As I've said, to see price buying. I guess this is the simple way of trading for it. This is a simple way of trading for it. Now, because I understand sometimes, you know that the price moves in phases, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. But there is one thing that you should understand that the price will not always be perfect. You are not always going to see the market giving you perfect patterns, clear patterns. Sometimes the price is going to be messy, and you have to learn to trade that messy, that chaos, that's chaotic. See clarity in the chaos. All right. So now, for me, this is a great buying opportunity. It's a great buying opportunity at this level. I'm going to buy the 1 hour time frame, risking about 10 pips or 11 pips and targeting about 40 pips. So this is the overall direction for now, unless we break below this level. But what I'm expecting to see happening in the markets, I'm expecting to see price moving to the upper side. That's exactly what I'm expecting to see happening in gold. I hope you guys you understand. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure that you press the like button and subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you so much for your support. It is your boy signing out.